Hello guys, this is me. I'm gonna do an interesting video with painting uh, some gangster eggs. So yeah guys, let me check up my lighting. I think this is okay. I will start with painting a scared egg, and after that I'll paint the gangster eggs. It's a robbery, and a bunch of eggs are like gangsters, and this little egg, it's like the victim, and I'm helping my boyfriend to make a creative photo with a bunch of gangster eggs. So this is really fun for me guys, cause well, I love to paint and I love to do sort of a process, and I find it really relaxing and nice. So yeah, I'm actually trying to go with the flow, and I know I've previously had some issues with my focus in my videos, and that's why I'm double checking it. I find it really relaxing to paint, and I think that it will make me share some tears of the scared egg. It's actually really fun. I never had so much fun in a while. So I guess that this corona virus, it's making us very creative. So I'm gonna add some brows. I think that brows really help the expression of the egg. So time to move on to the gangster egg. I'm doing a pretty simple design, so it's not very hard to do this guys. I mean, you just need to find some inspiration from the internet and just go with the flow. I think that it's difficult for all of us to find something that would keep us away from all this madness with corona and everything, and yeah, I think that painting a bunch of gangster eggs can really help you out. You don't even have to be talented, like look at the kind of moves that I'm making with the eggs. I mean, it's really simple, and can really make a photo really funny. So yeah, I will try to keep it as simple as possible. I am a professional painter, but once in a while it's nice to have fun and to get out of the comfort zone, and yeah, it's actually very fun, and I'm really glad that my boyfriend has such nice ideas to to make our quarantine a little bit nicer. So yeah, the expression of the gangster eggs, it's really important. They have to look scary. I've seen a bunch of images with funny eggs prior to cooking, funny eggs inside the fridge, but I never saw an egg robbery. And I think that my boyfriend will manage to make quite a successful picture out of this. So yeah, really, really nice. So look at this, guys. Dangerous piece of eggy. Okay, let's see the second one. I really have to be careful how I arrange them. I wish I could have some props in doing hair and doing maybe a little clothing, but maybe next time. I mean, we are only getting started, so I think that we will find better and better alternatives to illustrate how the power of painting can really change a simple thing like an egg. So I'm really happy that I'm doing this, and I'm also very happy because I can help a creative person to get even more creative. So yeah, this is really fun. I try to do, I think that I will feel very proud after I've completed this. What if Easter comes and we would have such eggs in our baskets instead of colorful eggs? Oh, what do you think? I think that would be pretty fun. And yeah, I think I'm gonna change the glasses of this egg. I think that it will have like round, geeky kind of glasses. It's gonna be a nerd egg. Very scary egg. Something like this. So I think the next one shall be something with a mustache. Yeah, I think I will do a mustache on the next egg because it would look just hilarious. Let's make some thick brows to this egg. Yeah, gangsters with thick brows. Pretty dope. Look at this piece of eggy. Okay, I have 2 more left, and I'm gonna do the mustache on this one. Let's see. Let me make sure I'm in focus. So this guy will have a mustache. Something like this. A very cool kind of mustache. I can't wait to see the final result. And try not to go perfectionist with this. I usually tend to be quite perfectionist when it comes to painting, but I am really trying not to do this with this because it should be fun, it should be spontaneous, it should be like really just not very serious. So yeah, something like this. Oh, let's make a full lip. Okay. A piece of glass, eyewear. Something like this. It would be really cool to have had some hats or something like that. But I think that we will get very creative very soon. Maybe the mustache should be like bigger, like, yeah, something like this, guys. So this is really nice. I don't know what to do on the final one. I've done a mustache, a beard one, maybe not a beard one. It should, so it's like a bunch of 4 gangsters, 2 with mustache, 2 with, that would be something. Let's see, maybe I should do a pirate. Oh, definitely, I should do a pirate. Let's have some wavy brows. And let's do some hair on this one. I mean, let's suppose everybody's bald, but this one is not. So this is like a interesting, scary. Yeah, definitely. Okay, and the next one will be, let's see. It should have like some beard. Yeah, I don't know, let's see. I think some beard and a nose. Maybe just a mouth, let's see. Big mouth. I like it that I can do this like so fast and it doesn't take like an awful amount of time to do it, and it's really like it has an impact, and that's what really made me want to do this in the first place. So what kind of maybe, I don't know, does eyewear inform of let's see, like that, in form of a dollar, but I don't think that I could make this, but let's make some really catchy eyewear. Something like that. That's really nice. Oh, I'm so proud of the eggs, how they ended up to be. I think this is the second time. This is the second time of me painting eggs on a like really basic, simple level. So I've seen a lot of detailed designs on the eggs, but I like this one a lot, and I think that it will really be awesome. I screwed up a little on the eyewear because I'm super relaxed when I paint. I mean, I find it so nice. kind of an eyebrow should I do on this one? Maybe he should have a bling, like something on a dollar sign. Okay. Something here as well. Dollar, dollar, dollar. Something like that. And he should have like square eyebrows. Yeah, like Angry Birds. Angry egg. Okay, something like that. This would really look nice. Look like this. This is so dope. Yep. I think another thing is necessary. Or maybe he should have like bangs. Yeah, let's do some bangs. It's like a haired egg. Bangs. This will look awesome. I'm so excited. La 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 la. You should totally try this out, guys. Like, dangerous eggy. So yeah, so 2 of my eggs have hair. So let's match them up here. Okay. There. How do you think it looks, guys? I think it looks really, really good. Yep. Something like this. I don't know about these ones. Maybe they should need some hair, or maybe I'm just complicating it. But I don't think so. Yeah, I think some hair is necessary. Look, something like that. And something like that. It really gives them a bit of personality to add them some hair. And why not? Look at this. Pretty awesome. And this other one, I think this should be a bald egg, but we should make it obvious that he's bald. I mean, oh, he should have, I know, he should have, how do you call that? Oh guys, I have when they grow hair like this, you know, next to their ear. How do you call it? Oh, I don't remember, but wow, I'm gonna do it. I really have a memory problem right now, guys. I don't know how it's called. Something like that. And on the sides. Pretty awesome. Oh gosh, I'm proud. And something like this. Yeah. Really nice. Really, really nice. So, this is my tutorial, guys. Let me focus a little bit. Let me know what do you think, and catch up later. Bye.